Okay.
TikTok Music could mean competition for Apple Music and Spotify. Can it really? You signing up for that? You send TikTok some money?
Well, the kids, right? They like listening to
Is that right?
the musics.
Is that how it goes?
I think so.
The TikTok kids, they like the music?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they might. Well, anyway, I think that there's a rumor here that with some intel, I guess there's a trademark application for a music streaming service in the United States filed by ByteDance. And their service so intertwined with the music business as far as what the next hot song is.
Yeah.
Like if a song takes off on TikTok, it takes off everywhere else. And
it doesn't even have to be the hottest song.
No.
Could be like just generic.
Just if it fits for some meme or whatever, and then you're hearing it nonstop. Easy there.
Oh, sorry.
TikTok is already a hub for discovering new music. In addition, it helps turn songs into the mainstream and to the top of the charts like Billboard 100, Spotify Viral 50, and Apple Music curated playlists. TikTok Music trademark submitted to the U.S. in May could be used for a variety of goods and services, including a mobile app that would allow users to purchase, play, share, download music, songs, albums, and lyrics. I guess this would be I assume it would be some sort of paid subscription service. Very late to the party. And I just don't know about monetizing that clientele. As you mentioned, a lot of young people, are they going to really pay for monthly subscriptions? If they are, maybe their parents already have Spotify or Apple Music or something like this, and they just bring them over there. So I think it's going to be a tough battle unless TikTok has some strategic advantage I'm unaware of.
Unless it's really cheap. If they have the licensing deals, then...
Maybe.
Yeah.
Really cheap, or some way in which they can kind of... the inflow of customers somehow comes through viral videos, or there's some sort of TikTok video app advantage or integration with the music app. If there's some sort of tools that just make it better to turn your music collection into TikToks.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just guessing how there might be some advantage here. Throwing some ideas out there, but I don't know. That's going to be a tough battle.